This week's plant of the week is elderberry. I've got two different kinds of elderberry here. I've got the more ornamental, which is a black lace, and then I've got our native variety. Both of these are great landscape plants. They can take drought once they're established. They've got beautiful flowers, but they also create berries, which feeds wildlife. And these plants are also host plants for over 30 different species of butterflies and moths. They're great plants for the landscape. They do take up some room, so you need to make sure that you've got space for them to grow. As you see, the black lace behind me, this one right now is probably about 6 feet tall. I've seen them get bigger than this, especially if they get more water. The native elderberry, this one's gonna be like lilac sized. These guys are gonna get pretty darn big, especially if they have water. We've got one out by the back creek that's probably about 12 feet tall, 15 feet wide. Beautiful plants. These are great options for your landscape, especially if you've got space to fill and you also want to support wildlife. And I'll pass it over to Gannon for the weather.